Water is life, and that's true for your garden too. Just like us, plants need water to grow strong and healthy. But watering your garden the right way is important. Too little water and your plants will wilt and struggle. Too much water and their roots can't breathe. It's like trying to live in soggy soil. That's where good garden irrigation comes in. It's all about giving your plants the right amount of water at the right time. This helps them thrive and rewards you with beautiful blooms and delicious veggies. So let's explore a fantastic way to keep your garden happy and hydrated: drip irrigation. Imagine a slow, steady trickle of water going straight to your plant's roots. That's drip irrigation in a nutshell. It's like giving your garden a nice long drink instead of a quick splash. Why is drip irrigation so great? Firstly, it saves water. Instead of spraying water everywhere, it delivers it right where it's needed. This is especially helpful in hot weather when water evaporates quickly. Secondly, it's good for your plants. Drip irrigation helps prevent diseases by keeping their leaves dry. Plus, it delivers water slowly, giving the soil time to soak it up. This encourages deep, healthy root growth. Ready to make your own drip irrigation system? It's a fantastic way to save water and ensure your plants get the moisture they need. It's easier than you think. Here's what you'll need to get started on this rewarding project. First, a large container. This will be your water reservoir. It can hold enough water to keep your garden hydrated. A recycled plastic tub or barrel works well. It's eco-friendly and cost-effective. Drip irrigation tubing. This is a special type of hose with small holes, emitters, that release water slowly. It ensures even distribution of water. Connector fittings. These join different parts of your system together. They are essential for creating a seamless flow, a drill. You'll use this to make holes for the connector fittings. Make sure to choose the right drill bit size, a garden hose. This connects your water source to the reservoir. Ensure it's long enough to reach your water source. You can find most of these supplies at your local garden center. They often have a wide selection. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. They're there to help. Knowledgeable staff can provide valuable tips and recommendations. Section 4. Building your own drip irrigation system. Now let's put it all together. Follow these simple steps. First, prepare your container. Choose a container that is large enough to hold a sufficient amount of water for your garden's needs. Clean your container thoroughly and let it dry completely. This ensures that no debris or contaminants will clog your system. Next, drill holes in your container for the connector fittings. Use a drill bit that matches the size of your fittings to ensure a tight seal. One hole near the top will be for the water inlet, which will be connected to your garden hose. This allows water to flow into the container easily, and another near the bottom will be for the outlet, connected to the drip irrigation tubing. Then install the fittings. This outlet will allow water to flow out and into your garden. Push the connector fittings into the holes you drilled. Make sure they're secure to prevent any leaks. Make sure they fit snugly. A tight fit is crucial for the system to work efficiently. After that, connect the tubing. This tubing will carry water from the container to your plants. Attach one end of the drip irrigation tubing to the outlet fitting. Ensure it is tightly connected to avoid any water loss. The other end will go into your garden. Position the tubing so that it reaches all the plants you want to water. And that's it. Your basic drip irrigation system is ready. With this setup, you can ensure your plants get the right amount of water directly to their roots, promoting healthier growth. Section 5. Setting up your drip irrigation system. Now it's time to install your system in your garden. First, position your container. This container will serve as the main water reservoir for your drip irrigation system. Place your water container at a slightly higher elevation than your garden. Elevating the container helps in creating a natural flow of water. This allows gravity to do the work of moving the water. Gravity-fed systems are efficient and reduce the need for pumps. Next, lay out the tubing. Make sure to measure the length of your garden rows to cut the tubing accordingly. Run the drip irrigation tubing along your garden rows, close to your plants. Then secure the tubing. This ensures that water reaches the roots directly. You can use landscape staples or rocks to hold the tubing in place. This prevents the tubing from shifting and ensures consistent watering. After that, connect to the water source. Ensure that all connections are tight to avoid leaks. Attach your garden hose to the inlet fitting and turn on the water. Check for any leaks and make adjustments as necessary. Watch as the water slowly drips out of the emitters, reaching your thirsty plants. This slow and steady watering method is ideal for plant health. Remember to check your system regularly to ensure it's working properly. Regular maintenance can prevent issues and keep your system running smoothly. You might need to adjust the water flow or clear any clogs in the tubing. Keeping the system clean ensures efficient water delivery. With a little effort, you can build your own DIY drip irrigation system and enjoy a healthier, happier garden. Happy gardening? A well-maintained system can save water and time, making your gardening experience more enjoyable.